Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Elder law, probate, guardianship. Each day I do and handle tasks involved in some aspect of each of them. So for example, today I started my work day at a 9 o'clock telephone call with, it was scheduled with another attorney in a proceeding where we represent different interests in a probate petition, a guardianship ad litem. I'm the guardian ad litem on behalf of a 14-year-old child. Then after that, I had a couple of tasks involved in actually real property. It does involve selling a property that's within a trust. Then I actually had a real estate closing today. It happened to have been one of my senior clients, but it had nothing to do with the trust. And then this afternoon, I did have a trust appointment with an existing client where I was drafting a trust for him. He was able to take a look at the draft, and then it was too much for him, too overwhelming. And because he's the owner of a couple of pieces of property, and the trustee, we were forming an irrevocable trust for him, and he's got an adult son. The adult son was going to be the trustee of the trust, and he just felt it was too much for him, in that he felt he was relinquishing some control. So I said, all right, you need to be comfortable, and we're going to rethink the strategy, right? So we might protect his properties with an LLC, and on an interim basis, change some beneficiary designations, and do a straightforward, sort of simple will until maybe a little bit of a later period in his life where he feels that he could relinquish some control. Now, if you have a revocable trust, you can be your own trustee. In an irrevocable trust, you can't be your own trustee. At least it's not prudent to be. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me, frankbrunolaw.com.